Arenado's big league days are behind him, but the Long Island native is now showing off a different kind of bat. News 12 Long Island's Kevin Marr has the story.
Frank Catalanotto now stepping in for the Mets.
Smithtown native Frank Catalanotto spent 14 years in the big leagues, getting more than 1,000 hits. But Frank admits he was never known for having a big bat.
I was more of a line drive hitter.
Some of his best bats now hang in his man cave in St. James. Some autographed, some not.
And now 4 years after he retired, Frank finally has the big bat he always wanted. It's in his backyard, and it's 18 feet tall.
This was what was in my head, and now it's come to life.
Woodcarver Greg Klawicki is the man who brought it to life, using a chainsaw, some sanders, a good eye, and about 2 weeks.
The whole time you think you're going to blow it. The whole time you see this part of it gets a little crooked, and you just think, oh, it's it, it's over. It's trashed. And somehow I managed to straighten it all out.
The old rotten pine tree is now the largest Louisville slugger on Long Island, a signature piece of landscaping, complete with Frank's signature.
It looks exactly like my bat was when I played. No one else has something like this that I've ever seen. And, something I could always remember. When I look back here, I look at that bat, and it reminds me of my playing career.
A very good career that Frank knows would have been awesome if only he could have used his new big bat in real life.
If I made contact, I think I'd be a home run hitter.
You'd be a Hall of Famer.
In St. James, Kevin Marr, News 12 Long Island.
And Frank is also holding his annual charity golf tournament and dinner this Monday at Cold Spring Country Club in Huntington. For more info, go on news12.com. Check out numbers and links. So it's a great backyard, great bat. May have trouble selling the house one day.
I know, you have to really like baseball.
How could you ever leave it?
Can't.
That's true.
Very cool.
Now look at some of the stories.